Hayfield Park is an exceptional master-planned community set on the picturesque Karaka Peninsula. It creates a welcoming, comfortable neighbourhood that embraces the natural surrounds while still being connected to urban life. Against a serene backdrop, you'll enjoy a vibrant lifestyle adjacent to the future Hayfield Centre, with sought-after ACG Strathallan and Hengaia Peninsula School, and a host of amenities close by. Hayfield Park is superbly positioned, being just 5 minutes from State Highway 1 and 25 kilometres to the Auckland CBD. Plus, the recently upgraded rail network will ensure a more convenient lifestyle. It's all you and your family need to live, love and grow. Build a home in Hayfield Park. Nothing has been left to chance with Hayfield Park. Residential, commercial and community facilities are being developed in harmony to ensure an enviable quality of life for everyone lucky enough to live here. What's more, this carefully planned community benefits from the ideal location, just 5 minutes from shops, schools, parks and key transport routes.